Transitions in the behavioral model, we have two types of transition in the behavior model, or the origin of transition in the behavior model. If the allowed transition, its source is the communication alphabet, and the maybe transition is its source is difference between the superset alphabet and the communicating alphabet. Our observation is that we can add extra event, um, for example, other events to the superset alphabet. Then we can use this as a reference for any new alphabet discovered during the elaboration of the system requirements. To modify the use algorithm, to take into consideration, we propose the following. Um, we propose two things. First of all, we'll define the alphabet to include a new alphabet, it's which is other events, and the other thing is um, modify the behavioral model according to the following algorithm. This algorithm is try to find each transition have that has other events and add the new actions on that transition as a label. Let's take example. Suppose that the property that describe a television system which blanks its screen while it tunes its to a new channel. We have three here we have three properties. The first two are very easy fluence, which blanked, which start by a blank and end by an blank. The fluent tuning start by tune and end by end tune. Now, non-artificate certificate is assertion that is tuning when blanking, always tuning then blanked. Using the proposed algorithm, as we know, this is the alphabet of this properties, and the behavioral model is this one. This one is the behavioral model. Now, suppose that we have two actions, sound up and sound down. Then the new alphabet alpha 2 is the same as alpha 1 plus sound up and sound down. Now alpha 1 and alpha 2 are alternative alphabet. The behavior model of the algorithm after the inclusion of the new alphabet is this one. Now the relation between these two models are um, they just okay, they have no the creation of them, they have no relation. We create this from scratch and create this from scratch. Now using our proposed algorithm, we will add other events to the alpha 1, therefore it will be like this. Then the behavioral model of the property will be this one. It's the same as the previous one, expect that the other events. Now suppose that the a new alphabet the new alphabet sound up and sound down are added, then we will have the same or alpha 2 plus these two new alphabet, and the new behavior model, instead of creating them from scratch, we will use this as a pointer to add the new events or actions. Now we are going to move to the partial behavior model of scenarios. As the origin of the Mapleton and behavioral model is model of scenario is either the difference between the communicating alphabet and outgoing transition from that state, or difference between the superset alphabet and its communicating alphabet. The maybe transition goes from each state to a special state called sync state. Modifying partial behavior model of scenarios, we have observation that